things running. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen and know that this passion for running has started again towards the end of last year. And I wanted to tell you a bit more about the journey because I've been getting loads of questions. And loads of people have been saying things like, oh, I can't run, I'm a bad runner, I don't want to run. Now, this video is not about turning you into a runner, but it is about tips for starting a running practice, habit, or just any movement, exercise, goal that you have. So these are just tips to get you started. And literally, I am the most unsporty person. If I can run, you can run. When lockdown happened and my fitness went down, I started getting very anxious, so my health went down, and I just, exercise went to a zero, just zero. Could not do a push-up. I just started walking. That's what I did. In April, May, I was just walking 20 minutes, and then I'm done. And then I pushed it up to 30 minutes, and then 40 minutes. If I could do a 40-minute walk, that was like incredible, and I celebrated those victories. And then I started walking and running, walk and run, like together. And I remember the first time I could do 10 minutes of running full on. That was the greatest achievement, and I felt the thrill and the rush of running again, and I knew I was hooked. And so it just slowly built up to 5 kilometers, and the 5 kilometers turned into 6, and 6 turned to 7, 7 turned to 8, and then I started on Instagram the 8 before 8 challenge. So the 8 before 8 challenge is when I'd run 8 kilometers before 8 a.m. and then I posted on Instagram and just feel so victorious. Like I could do this massive thing before 8 a.m. Oh my goodness. And my next goal, because I'm a goal person, is 12. And the most beautiful benefit for me that's come from running is 2 things. The one is reconnecting with nature. It's getting me out. I'm running under the trees. It's just that feeling, that freshness. Whenever I do run with a mask, when I am around a lot of people and I don't feel safe. I've also started running with the dogs, and the dogs are loving it. I like to find new routes, obviously staying safe, but find new routes, so I feel like I'm exploring. It's this adventure. Every single run is an adventure, and it's also a massive victory because each time I'm showing myself that I can do it, something that I didn't think I was able to do. So that was actually the second thing. So now there's 3 things. The third thing is something that Rachel Hollis talks about in her book Girl Wash Your Face. She talks about having a running fantasy. Let me tell you more about the running fantasy. So having a running fantasy is basically just like when you're running, let your imagination loose just to get you through those kilometers. And running fantasy can be anything from like a coffee with George Clooney. My favorite running fantasies are just being in Paris. Paris, as cliche as that sounds. I imagine a lot that I am in France, in Paris, exploring, drinking a cup of coffee. Greek islands have also made its appearance. So I hope that helps you to start that thing. If you love yoga, go do your yoga practice. If you love going to gym, then go gym. If you love Kayla Ensini's from Australia, the BBG program, that's what I used to do. So then go do Kayla. Whatever makes you feel empowered and strong and vibrant and healthy. Let me know in the comments below what is your challenge you want to set for yourself. What do you love doing? How do you like and love to move your body? What's your thing? Tell me below. Guys, I love chatting to you guys. I love how this community is growing with the most incredible people. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. Become part of this family of growth and consciousness where we can just uplift each other. So I'll see you guys soon.